Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So today I make a video regarding how to flush your engine, how to put a new engine oil, how to put a new air filter, all in one in a single video. So I have purchased this Liquimoly engine oil flush shooter, and this Gulf PowerTrack 40 synthetic oil, also this air filter from Honda Genuine Parts. My bike is Honda X-Plate. You will also need that drain washer. You will also need 5 mm Allen key, one adjustable spanner, and one 12-13 ring spanner. This 8 mm box spanner is needed to open the front chain sprocket cover, as I will clean my bike also. So I have done two modifications in my bike. First of all, I have removed this windshield. Due to this, the bike used to look weird. Now this bike looks much more muscular. Also, I have removed this rear tire hugger. Now we can see the beauty of this 130 mm rear wide tire completely. After done these two modifications, I am in love with my bike again. If you have Honda X-Plate, you can also try. So first let's remove this front chain sprocket cover. So every 1-2 weeks I clean my bike chain with kerosene. Then after drying, I put 80W90 gear oil for lubrication. So my bike almost runs 64,000 kilometers till now, and I only recently changed the chain sprocket set around at 60,000 kilometers. This bike is good for daily commute, but it's not a fun to ride bike. Also, there is a major problem in the handlebar ball racer. I have already changed the ball racer, still the handlebar did not feel like the new one. I have shown this to the showroom. They are saying that your front tire has become old, so you first change the front tire. My front tire is has run almost 64,000 kilometers till now, and only one puncture has happened in the front tire. The original rear MRF Japper tire also runs for 35 kilometers. After that, I changed that to Apollo Alpha S1 steel belted radial tire. So these also almost run 30,000 kilometers till now. Let's see how much it can go. Till now, no puncture has happened in the rear tire in this Apollo Alpha S1. If you switch to radial tire, the handling greatly improves because it's a dual compound. Since the front tire is 80/100 by 17 sections, so for this rim size radial tire is not available. So to remove the engine guard, you will need 5 mm Allen key. You just need to unscrew to Allen bolt. Then pull it outside, then your engine guard will be removed. So first we should start the engine and leave it at ideal for around 10 minutes so the existing engine oil can get hot. So let me start the engine and so let it leave for 10 minutes at ideal. After leaving for 10 minutes we will put the Liquimoli engine oil flusher in the existing engine oil, and then again we will run the engine for 10 minutes. You can also put it in gear in double stand and press the clutch multiple times after putting the engine oil flush. The only disadvantage of this motorcycle is the headlight. You cannot see anything during rainy season. Also in winter it's useless. I am thinking of installing some yellow fog light. Let's see, if I install I will post. This is the Liquimoli engine flush soother. Along with this I have purchased for I have purchased for 225 rupees from Amazon. Along with this I have also purchased this Liquimoli fuel system cleaner 80 ml for 228 rupees, and also Liquimoli motorbike oil additives 20 ml for 252 rupees. So total 3 items for 670 rupees from Amazon, all of Liquimoli. And this engine oil I have purchased is Gulf PowerTrack 40 10W30 synthetic oil. This I have purchased for 321 rupees from Amazon. Although it is written synthetic engine oil, it's feel like normal mineral oil, also not of premium quality, only normal quality mineral oil. This I almost ran it around 600 km after changing the engine oil, so it does not feel anything like synthetic oil. Along with this I have also purchased Castrol Power One 10W30 synthetic oil for 436 rupees, and also Castrol Active Stop Start 10W30 synthetic oil for 389 rupees. That I will change in the subsequent engine oil change after I change normally after 2000 km running. those engine oil review I will also post. So this Gulf PowerTech I don't recommend. This feel like any normal quality mineral oil. Earlier I have used this Castrol Active Stop Start engine oil, that is very good quality. Also this Castrol Power On 10W30 is also good quality. I have also used that Castrol Power On Ultimate 10W40, but that main disadvantage of that oil is it got evaporate after 1500 kilometers, so you need to top off. Otherwise there will be a knocking problem, gear slippage issue like that, also engine overheat. So after putting this engine oil flush, you should again run your bike for around 10 minutes, leave it in idle. Leave it in idle, then when after putting the engine oil flush, when you running your bike in idle, you can also put it in gear and press the clutch multiple times so that the inside of the engine can be cleaned thoroughly. So after running the engine for 10 minutes, you should again leave the engine for another 10 minutes so that all the sludges can get submerged in the existing engine oil. So now let us drain the existing engine oil. After putting the engine oil flasher, you will need number 12 ring spanner. So you need to remove this drain bolt like this along with the existing washer. You should always put new washer after putting the new engine oil. You can easily find this washer in your Honda service center. So let the existing engine oil completely drain. So to completely drain the existing oil, it will take some time. In the meantime, let me show you how to change the air filter. You need to remove your seat. Under the seat, this air filter is situated. So you need to remove these 4 screw. You can remove this screw using a star shaped screwdriver. Never clean your air filter. You should always replace the air filter. You can check the air filter condition. If it is too dirty, you can replace, and if it is not so much dirty, you can keep it. You can compare it with the new one and check side by side. So after removing 4 screw, you can remove this top cover. So below this top cover, your air filter is situated. See, this is the air filter condition. It's not too much dirty, still I will change it. I always keep my bike in top-notch condition. See, this is the new one side by side with the old one. If you run in too much dusty condition, you can change the air filter along with the engine oil in every 2000 kilometer. So you can fix the air filter according to the shape. Then put back this top cover. Also don't forget to clean the top cover inlet or air inlet. Then put the top cover back and tighten the 4th screw. So this engine oil change, air filter change, cleaning your chain sprocket change and do oiling, these all are the basic maintenance step every biker should know and can do very easily at their home. So now the existing engine oil is completely flushed out. Let us put back the drain bolt along with new washer. Always put new washer, otherwise your thread can be damaged. Now tighten it by rotating it clockwise. Don't over tighten it. Now this is the old engine oil condition. Now let us put new engine oil, Gulf PowerTech 4010W30 synthetic oil, although it is actually normal quality mineral oil. So this 1 liter container as my bike engine capacity is 1 liter, engine oil capacity is 1 liter. There is also a reverse coupon inside the top cap. You can scan and you can download that Gulf scanner app to redeem this point. I have scanned this but did not redeem it. Don't know why. So after completely flooding the engine oil, you put back the cap and tighten it using the adjustable spanner. This dipstick you can also use to check the engine oil level at different intervals. So now we are all good to go. After this engine oil flush, my bike has regained that original engine sound. I always change my engine oil at around 2000 kilometers, so my engine oil never get too much dirt. So thanks for watching, guys. If you find this video useful, do subscribe and like the video. Also share with your friends.